In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix lag on your PS5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. If you experience stuttering in online games, slow response times, or just poor performance, there are several things that you can do to improve it, and we're going over all of them. Let's start with the most effective fix. Instead of using Wi-Fi, try using a wired connection. You connect an Ethernet cable directly to your PS5 from your internet router. A wired connection is usually going to be so much more stable and can significantly reduce lag in online games. From here, what you're going to want to do is go up, and this is even if you don't have a wired connection, but select settings and then go into your network settings. Go to settings and then hit set up internet connection. Find your connection on here, whether it's Wi-Fi or wired. Hit the options button on your controller, go to advanced settings and switch your DNS settings from automatic to manual. Set the primary DNS as 8.8.8.8. And for the secondary DNS, go ahead and put it to 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers and can sometimes improve connection stability. If you're using Wi-Fi as well, go ahead and try moving your PS5 closer to your router so the signal is stronger and less likely to drop. You could also change your Wi-Fi frequency band in that exact same section to 5 GHz if your router does support it. But you can also go back to your main settings page, just like so. Scroll down a little bit, and what you're looking for on your main settings page is going to be the game and app settings. You may have to scroll down a little bit to find it, but open this up. Select game presets and go ahead and set it the performance mode or resolution mode to, instead of game default, performance mode. As soon as you go ahead and do that, it's going to prioritize higher frame rates over graphical quality, which can make, gameplay a lot smoother, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.